So in my bowl, I have combined 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of red cayenne pepper. That's optional. If you don't want it spicy, don't use that. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to mix that up. And then to that mixture, I am going to add 2 cups of water, but I'm just going to put in about 1.5 cups at first and see how thick it gets before I add the rest. I'm just going to give that a mixy. Stir it all up. Ooh, you can really smell some spices. Yeah, I'm going to add the rest of the water because that's way too thick. Alright, I'm just going to get that all mixed up. So in this bowl, I've added 2 cups of breadcrumbs, and I added a little bit of salt, a little bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of onion powder. If you want to add the paprika and the cayenne pepper, you can, but I didn't put it in the outside coating of the cauliflower bites. So then what I do, I just take some cauliflower, and I just drop it right in my flour spice mixture. Stir it around. When I get a piece that's nice and coated, take it out, and then I stick it in my breadcrumbs. Like so. Just till it's nice and coated with the breadcrumbs. Okay, I have sprayed my air fryer basket with some cooking spray, and then I'm going to take this olive oil and I am going to spray the cauliflower that I put in here. I'm going to pop this in here, and I'm going to set this to 400, and I'm going to go 7 minutes and then check it. So my timer has gone off. Ooh, they're starting to get golden brown. They look good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip all these, and I'm going to spray them with a little bit more of the olive oil spray. If you don't have olive oil spray, you can just drizzle regular olive oil or grapeseed oil or hazelnut, whatever you have. You can use that too. So I'm going to flip these, spray them again, pop it back in the air fryer for another 5 minutes. This is the finished product. Crunchy on the outside, creamy in the middle, kind of. Absolutely delicious. Give these a try. Make your favorite dipping sauce. They are delicious. Have a great day, people.